Everything that has a beginning has an end. We started this farm with a vision, built it with our hands, poured everything we had into it. For a season, it was exactly that. This farm was alive and our customers were happy. Then challenges came. Beneath the surface, our soil was under attack, silent and invisible, destroying our roots before we could even see the damage. We fought back, we treated, we monitored, we adjusted, but the foundations are too broken to patch. So we made the hardest decision we have ever made. We terminated everything. Not in defeat, but in responsibility, because our customers deserve better. They deserve honesty. They deserve a farm willing to stop, reset, and rebuild properly. Termination looks like loss from the outside, but from where we are standing, it was the most courageous thing we could do. And now we are restructuring. The soil is being restored, the system are being upgraded, because you cannot grow something healthy from a compromised root. You have to go back to the foundation. This is not the end of our story. Everything that ends can begin again, and ours starts now.